Rogers 5G home internet and wireless business internet provide high-speed internet through 5G cellular networks. Setting up either service involves a few key steps. First, check your address on Rogers' website or app to confirm 5G availability and signal strength. A signal strength of at least 50 dBm is required. Once confirmed, select a plan that suits your needs. Residential plans start at $75 a month for 100 Mbps, while business plans offer dedicated support and speeds up to 2 Gbps. Schedule your installation. It's free for home internet, but $99 for business. After receiving your Rogers Ignite Gateway, model XB8, supporting Wi-Fi 7, connect the outdoor antenna if one is provided for boosting the signal. Then power on the gateway. Finally, activate it using the Rogers app. The activation process typically takes 10 to 30 minutes. After activation, run a speed test using tools like Ookla or the Rogers Speed Test to ensure you're getting the expected performance. If speeds are lower than expected, optimize the gateway's placement. Position it near a window facing a Rogers tower using the Rogers Coverage Map app to identify the nearest tower. For businesses, consider using mesh extenders to cover larger premises. If you encounter persistent issues, Rogers provides 24/7 support. Also, Rogers provides built-in firewalls, WA3 encryption, and parental controls. Businesses get enterprise-grade options like endpoint protection for increased security. Finally, remember, Rogers is piloting 5G Advanced for IoT integration, enabling smart home business ecosystems.